In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use ShopWired for mobile optimization, a crucial aspect of e-commerce. If you're looking to make your online store mobile-friendly, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because we'll dive into an exclusive offer, plus reveal a few better alternatives for achieving your mobile optimization goals. Let's start by talking about the basics. When setting up ShopWired, it automatically ensures your website is mobile-friendly to some extent, but it's not fully optimized for mobile unless you do some tweaking. The first thing you'll want to do is check how your website appears on a mobile device. It's simple. You can use the preview tool on ShopWired's dashboard, and it gives you a quick look at how everything is laid out. The important thing to look for here is how your images, text, and buttons resize, and whether they fit neatly on the screen without the need for excessive scrolling. Next, you should consider enabling responsive themes. ShopWired has several mobile-optimized templates available, and using one of them will save you time. These themes automatically adjust elements like text, images, and buttons to fit mobile screens better. However, even with responsive themes, it's important to test them on different devices to ensure the results are as expected. The third thing you'll need to focus on is page speed. Mobile users are notoriously impatient, and slow-loading pages can hurt both your sales and SEO. ShopWire does allow for some customization here. Ensure that your images are compressed and not too large, as they can significantly slow down your website on mobile. It's also important to minimize the use of heavy scripts and apps that can create lag, so clean up your backend for a faster mobile experience. Next thing, simplify your navigation. On mobile, you want to keep things as straightforward as possible. ShopWired has a mobile-friendly navigation option, but it's still a good idea to minimize the number of categories or links displayed. Too many options can make the shopping experience overwhelming, which could drive potential customers away. A streamlined mobile menu will improve user experience and increase conversions. The fifth thing to keep in mind is touch functionality. Mobile users interact with your site through touch, so buttons and links need to be big enough to tap easily. With ShopWired, you can adjust button sizes and margins to make sure that users don't struggle to tap the right option. Now, let's talk about the checkout process. ShopWired allows you to optimize your checkout flow to be quick and easy for mobile users. The mobile checkout experience needs to be seamless, so use features like guest checkout, simplified forms, and autofill options to make the process as fast as possible for customers on the go. Finally, I'll mention something that ShopWired doesn't do quite as well as it could. While mobile optimization is somewhat integrated into the platform, there are some limitations compared to other more dedicated platforms. For example, you might find fewer options for fully customizing the mobile design compared to alternatives like Shopify or BigCommerce. Now, before I wrap up, I want to mention that we have an exclusive offer for ShopWired viewers. Through our link, you can access an extended free trial of ShopWired, and this offer is exclusive to our audience. However, while ShopWired is a solid option, there are other platforms that could serve your mobile optimization needs even better. For example, platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce offer more advanced mobile customization tools out of the box and better scalability as your store grows. They also offer solid free trials, so if mobile optimization is your primary goal, it might be worth checking out these alternatives. Remember, through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available, exclusive benefits, and a chance to try ShopWired or explore these amazing alternatives. Don't miss out!